In this example, we're going to use GPT-4 Omni as a chat completion model. What that means, we're going to take an image as an input and produce a text as an output. Very simple. And as I'm doing so, I want you to imagine use cases for your own business, etc. So we're going to go to API reference. We're going to click on chat, and then we're going to click on create chat completion. As you can see, OpenAI has provided us the formatting for using this function. So when we're sending out the message, we just have to include the image into the content body of the message. So if you click on the content, it's an array of contents parts with a definite. Each can be type text or image URL when passing an image. You can pass multiple images by adding multiple image URL content parts. Image input is only supported when using GPT-4 visual preview model, so which includes GPT-4 Turbo as well as GPT-4 Omni. You can see the specific parts for that image. Now, the only difference between the image input